Today I'm going to show you how you can sell your own music online. I'm doing power moves. We're doing power. So if you ever wondered how you can sell your music online, have it available on these platforms like Spotify, TikTok, Apple Music, or whatever, then this is the right place. Pay attention, because I'm going to show you how you can have your own music on all these platforms, have your sales revenue, and yeah, what to use, what to do. So how do you put your music on these platforms? You need to have a music distribution company, because TuneCore is the leader in the music distribution game right now, and it paid over $2 billion US dollars to its artists. So why not choose TuneCore? Yeah, and it's the sponsor of this video. That also means I have a special opportunity for you at the end of the video provided by TuneCore, so stay tuned for that. So, and this is how you get your music on Spotify, Apple Music, or iTunes, Amazon Music, TikTok, YouTube Music, and more. How to get your music online? First, you put your music online. First, you upload your music, obviously. They send your music to the stores. When you choose your stores, we get to that in a second. And this is how you get paid. Every time you get streamed on Spotify, every download of your music on iTunes, you get paid when we put your music directly into your TuneCore account. TuneCore never keeps a percentage of your sales revenue. So I'd say we start now. You register and create your accounts, and then we're gonna go here, music, and you can create your album or a single. We're going to create a single. All right, let's go. So the first thing you do is choose your song title. Type in your song title. Do you have explicit lyrics or not? Yes, I do. In this case, here you can choose your song, your artist name, and if you have a featured artist, you can add featured artists. Which language, what genre you have. If you have a release date, make sure you have 4 weeks in advance at least, in order to give the stores time to review the release. And yeah, you fill everything out what you need here. You can look into this in no time. So now we're at the step where you can choose your store. Normally you would check all stores, right? All right, save. Yeah, all the song info that you have, you provide. So now you want to upload your song, but before you do, make sure your song has the 16-bit wave. But if you have your song properly mixed and mastered, it's already set for this. So upload your song. So let's pretend my song is uploaded now and I have already made my artwork, or uploaded my artwork, which you can do here. Make sure it's JPEG or PNG, all good. Okay, so the last thing will happen. Everything should be checked on your end. The last thing what will happen is gonna take you to a checkout, and after everything is set up, you paid everything, and you're gonna be notified as soon as your music is available. That's it. That's all you have to do. So, and this is how it looks when everything is done. My artwork is here. My stores are selected. And everything is cleared, and the song is live. You can listen to it now. Yeah, just in case you didn't know, even Russ is using TuneCore. He was releasing a bunch of songs through TuneCore before he got this deal from Sony, from Columbia Records, and he got famous. Yeah, and he's still making a lot of money from it, as you can see here and from his plaques and the video. Yeah, this is basically how you can get your music online, and that's it for me. Click the link in the description. The special opportunity waits for you, a special discount provided by TuneCore. Okay, that's it for me, guys, for today. I hope you enjoyed this, and as always, keep a like or subscribe if you want to see more, and see you in the next video. Peace.